Ever wondered how much you can spend on your YouTrip card in a single day, month, or even year? Let's dive into the world of YouTrip transaction limits and find out. YouTrip, a popular travel card, offers a convenient way to spend money overseas. But like any financial tool, it comes with certain limitations. Understanding these limits is crucial to ensure a smooth and hassle-free travel experience. The nitty-gritty of YouTrip limits. While YouTrip doesn't impose a strict, one-size-fits-all limit on transactions, there are a few factors that influence how much you can spend. Daily spending limit. This limit varies depending on your account tier and spending history. Generally, new users might face lower daily limits, which can increase as you establish a solid spending pattern. YouTrip's dynamic system adjusts these limits to mitigate risks and ensure security. Monthly spending limit. Similar to the daily limit, your monthly spending cap can fluctuate. Regular, responsible spending can lead to higher monthly limits. It's always a good idea to monitor your spending closely to avoid unexpected restrictions. Currency exchange limits. YouTrip allows you to exchange multiple currencies. However, there might be limits on the amount you can exchange in a single transaction or within a specific period. These limits are often influenced by factors like currency volatility and regulatory requirements. Tips to maximize your YouTrip experience. Verify your identity. Completing identity verification can unlock higher spending limits and faster transaction processing. It's a simple process that can significantly enhance your YouTrip experience. Maintain a good spending history. Consistent and responsible spending habits can positively impact your limit. Avoid sudden, large transactions that might trigger additional scrutiny. Communicate with YouTrip support. If you anticipate making significant transactions or have specific concerns, reach out to YouTrip's customer support. They can provide personalized guidance and assist you in adjusting your limits, if necessary. While YouTrip offers incredible flexibility and convenience, it's essential to be aware of the transaction limits. By understanding these limits and following best practices, you can make the most of your YouTrip card and enjoy worry-free travels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.